What's going on, guys? So if you're watching this, you are wondering about what are CryptoPunks. So CryptoPunks are one of the first NFTs that were made, and there's a fixed set of 10,000 of them. They were launched in mid-2017 and became one of the inspirations for the ERC 721 standard. Right here, I'm on their page on OpenSea, which is the marketplace where you can buy these. So on larvalabs.com, Larva Labs is the company that made CryptoPunks. They said that the CryptoPunks are 10,000 uniquely generated characters. No two are exactly alike, and each one of them can be officially owned by a single person on the Ethereum blockchain. Originally, they could be claimed for free by anybody with an Ethereum wallet, but all 10,000 were quickly claimed. Now they must be purchased from someone via the marketplace that's also embedded in the blockchain. On larvalabs.com, there is a image with 10,000 of the CryptoPunks all in one image. So this is it right here. So you can go on larvalabs.com and look at every single CryptoPunk in one picture, which is pretty cool. And you could try to find your own. So how much are CryptoPunks? The price of CryptoPunks fluctuates throughout the year. The year-long average price for the CryptoPunks is 18.4 ETH. Um, but as you can see from this chart, this is the chart for the entire last year. Um, the price has gone up a lot. If you go to the 60-day price average, it's 29 ETH. And if you go to the 14-day average, it's 26 ETH. And 7-day average, we're at 28 ETH as of right now, April 10th. But yeah, this is one of the most expensive NFTs on the market right now that you can buy. CryptoPunks began as an experiment. Jarva Labs created CryptoPunks on June 23rd, 2017. They were inspired by the London punk scene. Any and everyone can view any one of the CryptoPunks, but only one person can officially own a CryptoPunk. Some other CryptoPunks are rarer than others. The collection of 10,000 CryptoPunks is definitive and unalterable. I would love to hear everybody's thoughts on CryptoPunks. If you have one, let me know in the comments section. But I'm definitely going to be looking for some cheaper NFTs to invest in. Let me know some of your favorites below. Thanks for checking out my channel. I'm definitely going to be doing a lot more reviews on NFTs. So stay tuned and smack that like button and subscribe. Thanks.